Okay, how are you doing today? Fine. So when you are studying an asset, don't just look at the performance. So for example, look at Apple here, right? You see expected return of 21.21. This is like the effective yield, 5 years effective yield, or that is an average for the past 5 years or so. Or even when you look at the last year, so the last year Apple made 9.96%. That is one full year, right? Now, if you look at the volumes, you'll see that in the past 1 year, about 92.45% of the Apple shares actually changed hands. That's the volume. Now we could do the same. Maybe we go for, let's think of any, okay, let's look at Living Trust, for example. Or no, let's go to the highest capitalized asset in Nigeria, which is Airtel. So looking at the expected return here, you are seeing 48.48. That is effectively past 5 years. Dividend yield high. Even the past year return is still quite poor though. But when you look at the total volume in one full year, Airtel is like 4 million, which is in one full year, not even up to 1% of these shares changed hands. Let's look at, okay, let's go for that Living Trust that I searched earlier. You see the same, the effective yield high 63%. So when you look at maybe one year ago, it's made, that is from 2024 May 17 till today, it has made 47.09%, right? Now looking at the liquidity, see, in one full year, not even up to 0.1%. So the question we'll ask now is, this high performance we are seeing from all these assets, you see high performance but no liquidity. So liquidity, or in this case volume, we are looking at the amount of shares that change hands, whether per day, per year, but this is year. If you want to do for one quarter, you change as a case, or you want to backdate it to whenever you want, it's all up to you. Now, so let's say 2023 February 19 till today, just 13%. We are looking at over 2 years ago. And when you look at the performance of this same stock, so we shows 2023 February 19. Let's even look at it. So from 2023 February 19 right till today, let's assume we bought 1000 naira worth of Living Trust at the time. See, that your 1000 naira will be 1900 because that made around 90%. Then you get extra in dividend yield. However, you do not see the liquidity. So the question is that when you see performance without the liquidity, what does it mean? It could be maybe insider dealings or whatsoever, but just know that the investment might just not be for you, right? So while looking at the performance, the yields, the risk, they are all important. As intentional investors, you must also look at how liquid the stock is. It's very, very important. So stay intentional and take care.